Professional dent repair is a transformative process that restores a vehicle's appearance while preserving its value. Restoration typically involves two primary methods: paintless dent repair, PDR, and traditional auto body repair. PDR is a specialized, eco-friendly technique where technicians use tools like rods, reflection boards, and glue pull systems to massage metal back to its original shape. This method is ideal for hail damage and door dings because it keeps the factory paint intact, prevents rust, and maintains high resale value. Conversely, traditional repair is reserved for severe damage, such as stretched metal or cracked paint requiring fillers and repainting. Significant transformations include hail-struck hoods and door dings, restored quickly via PDR. Bodyline and aluminum repairs requiring high technical skill to recreate crisp factory contours. Complex cases, such as motorcycle tanks, plastic bumpers, and classic cars that may require a hybrid approach of PDR and conventional refinishing. When evaluating results, look for smooth reflections, consistent panel gaps, and original orange peel textures. Choosing a certified technician ensures quality outcomes. Reputable shops often provide free quotes, coordinate with insurance, and offer warranties. Ultimately, professional repair, especially PDR, is a cost-effective, durable solution that protects a vehicle's long-term integrity and aesthetic appeal. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.